Hey guys, welcome back to Longtime Toolies. New task today. I'm going to build a little bit of a planter's box and put some lemongrass in it because lemongrass is a natural way to keep out mosquitoes and bugs of all sorts. So we're going to do that. But it's finally time. We're going to fuck with a jackhammer today. That was a mistake. Oh my god. I've never even used it. Really opened it up before. It is heavy as a motherfucker. I guess I gotta see how to actually use it. What is this? There's that thing. I'm gonna add some canola oil. Boom. Got the oil in there. We gotta tighten her up. This is a shitty wrench. But I'm glad that they gave it to me so I didn't have to go get one. Oh. Okay. So I got that's the oil in there. Got it. Okay, so this is in there. Look at this fucking big bitch. It's in there solid now. Huh, comes in the on position. Gotta be careful of that. Fuck me. I could have took out my toe. Jesus Christ. That was scary. That was big scary. Alright. So just to let it. Stuck. That automatic stay on, but a little too loosey-goosey. Yeah, that's why this one's only $100. Good job. I'm tired already. How do these fellas do this all day? Yeah, I don't know. Area around the outside is done. And that's jackhammer goofing. Alright, making some progress. This shit is tough, man. All you folks who do this for a living, you can fight with me any day. Uh-oh. Oh. Hey. Oh. 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 break time. Alright, so the last little bit. This shit was fucking hard, dude. Alright, so let's break this down a little bit while it's still fresh. That jackhammer costs like $110. Realistically, I might use it 3 or 4 times in my life. That was a mistake. I should have hired somebody to do that one. I don't have a sense of accomplishment, and I still gotta pick up all those fucking rocks. My review for the shitty ass jackhammer that works pretty good. Don't buy it. Don't buy it.